What's up, you guys? It's been a while. Just wanted to do a little update for you guys. So, since I seen you recently, I got a Softopper. I had one on my third gen Tacoma, and yeah, I loved it then and always wanted to get another one. So, finally got one. Looks pretty sick. The dogs love it. Thinking a way it'll help you. But yeah, pretty happy with it. Install is pretty easy. I don't know, you guys probably seen videos, but pretty much bed rails go on top of the bed, clamps, 2 on each side, and it's pretty much installed once you hook it into that clamp and that side right there, and then put the tarp on. But it's pretty cool. If you want a camper shell, it's a nice alternative because it weighs 30 pounds or so, and it easily comes on and off, and unlike a hardtop camper shell, yeah, you guys know how difficult that is to take on and off. Some cons I have with it: so when you first install this, the rails on the bed, they want to dip down, not be level with the truck. So you have to really tighten down this. See, I need to go back over this right here on that clamp. You can see it's kind of uneven in the clamp, but yeah, just from it being installed, it wants to pull the rail down. And on my third gen, I had that problem where it pulled it really hard inward, and when I took off the bed rails, it actually bent the top of the rail of the bed down inward. So it's supposed to be level, but with this thing installed on my third gen, when I actually took it off and sold it, the rails were like bent inward like that. So that's a con. I hope it doesn't happen with this bed. I mean, install's easy, but yeah, that's one of the issues I have with the Softopper, the last one I had. Also, remember, you guys, check out the description because I have a lot of discount codes in there that you can use to get a good discount. A lot of them 15-20% off of stuff. Thanks for watching. Like always, I appreciate you guys.